Welcome to our vocabulary lesson. Today we will learn words about celebrations and food. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Week 1. Celebration. A celebration is a happy event. We have a celebration at school, traditional. Traditional means something people have done for a long time. We wear traditional clothes on special days. Festival. A festival is a special day with fun activities. People enjoy music, food, and games at the festival. Holiday. A holiday is a day when people do not go to school or work. We visit our family on the holiday. Party. A party is a fun time with friends and family. I went to a birthday party. Costumes. Costumes are special clothes people wear for fun or celebrations. The children wear colorful costumes. Decorations. Decorations make a place look beautiful. We put decorations in the classroom. Fireworks. Fireworks are bright lights in the sky. We watch fireworks at night. Great job. Now let us learn week 2. Recipe. A recipe tells us how to make food. My mother reads the recipe before cooking. Ingredients. Ingredients are the foods we use to make a recipe. Flour, eggs, and milk are ingredients. Mix. Mix means to put things together. We mix the flour and milk. Stir. Stir means to move food around with a spoon. Stir the soup slowly. Add. Add means to put one more thing in. Add some sugar to the cake. Chop. Chop means to cut food into small pieces. Chop the vegetables carefully. Cut. Cut means to divide something with a knife or scissors. Cut the apple into 2 pieces. Pour. Pour means to move liquid from one place to another. Pour the juice into the glass. Boil. Boil means to heat water until it bubbles. Boil the water before making tea. Excellent work. Let us review the words one more time. Celebration, traditional, festival, holiday, party, costumes, decorations, fireworks, recipe. Ingredients: mix, stir, add, chop, cut, pour, boil. Well done. You learned words about celebrations and food. See you in the next lesson.